Guys, I want to ask this, that does true love exist? Does true love really exist? Hey, there is this video trending, this viral video. Fresh lady, fresh girl. I don't know. Say any guy will say no to her proposal, or any guy would love to date this lady. And there is this viral video that, according to, it was a special day for her, and she had invited everyone on that occasion. Now, she video ni ma, what propose? Yeah, or chiben ni kanji weka se ni dofu ana ni fiancé ana. I don't know how to put it, but ni dofu ni mpna. See what you say? Ni boyfriend. I'll be any say these two are going out. These two are seeing each other. Or chiben no introduce you no. Kana koma swadi how or dot beme ya na how beme edana koma so. How it means a lot to her. Catch any way, you know. And surprisingly, I've never seen this before. And even seeing this in the kids and those short kids and even movies. But radio or chibeno, I know kon kutu the girl kneel down and I propose it to the guy. Yeah, ni penano say odo miyasimi do yasimu. Obe worry me ana. In my hand. And it to me yes I do. It was your war. Now like you can say Nibia some you can say true nipa. Nija is summer. Could you believe say there was this lady in the blue in the video, as we can all see. Guy not turning the proposal down. So again inside the coin now so inside no should ya getting kono so senetona true nipa nija is summer. You can video no nearby. Ebe to us.
Be quiet.
So I would like to make a toast to Daniel.
Toast.
You know, we've been together for a long time, Daniel. And I really got something I want to ask you because I love you so much. Okay?
Chill.
Daniel, I love you so much. And I just want to know.
Get out! Yo, what you doing? You gonna do my daughter like that? I'll kill you! I'll fucking kill you!
And that one mono. So we do humbi. Hey, child, we are nipa wicked, and we are nipa hu. So nipa neja is samay. Nambusa said, does real love exist? Does real love truly exist? Cause Charlie, like from the video, you could tell, say, the girl really loved the guy, and everyone knows that they are being together. We should do ne papa or say, even I don't know whether it's the father or the way in the broke. I said, you can't do this to my daughter. I'll kill you. It's very painful. So if you not going to do be, now let me say on do and answer on pell. And even this publicly, we're turning it down. Guys, what's opinion about this? Your opinion really needed. So please try to comment about it, and yeah, so I know where to stand in this situation. Because really, Charlie, yawa. Oh, I'm the best in the neighbor. So subscribe and make us subscribe to Expose GH. Not turning on notification on any updates via any trending issue, trending news, social trending. Charlie, yeah, the baby man, I'm the best.